Hey kids, it's David Connolly here with a very super quick video for you. Last week I posted a thing and I was showing you my Fitbit readouts and showing you guys how I'm usually on about maybe an average of about 3 hours sleep per night. And some of you folks were pretty shocked. And I know that I'm not the only person who has these challenges, you know. As of late, like within the last 6 months, this has been getting progressively worse and worse and worse, you know. And I've been wondering why. What could be different? Could it be that I've been staying up in the middle of the night, wanking away like a little monkey? Well, actually, no. I can assure you that's not the case. But what has been happening is I've been spending a lot of time working late into the night. Do you hear me, people? Working, building apps and stuff and finishing off some projects that I really need to finish. And it turns out that your monitor dishes out a certain kind of blue light that is pretty much identical to the kind of blue light that you get from the sky when it's a nice sunny day. And I've discovered that there's this theory, which is that when your eye receives this type of blue light, it tricks your brain into thinking that it's daytime. So your body does all sorts of tricks to basically keep you awake, you know. Now, I'm wondering if maybe this is something that affects you. Maybe this is something that affects other developers and people like that, you know. People who work with computers a lot, you know. So this is kind of a little bit of a call for some, you know, data here. I'm interested to know if you have experienced problems sleeping, especially if you've been working on your computer quite late at night. Now, let me tell you where I am with this. Over the weekend, I discovered a free software package. It's a complete freebie and it's called f.lux. And when you chuck this on your computer, the thing, it basically it confirms your location, right? And then it figures out when the sun sets and all of that, when it's dark. And then this package, f.lux, adjusts your monitor. And as it gets darker, it filters out all of those blue colours. So by the time it's night, you've got a screen that's kind of all these warm, rusty kind of brown colours and all of that. Almost like one of those old photos, you know. Anyway, I tried it last night. Unfortunately, I don't have the luxury of being able to stop work completely at night. I've really got some stuff I need to do here. But I finished at 10 o'clock, which is early for me, right? Usually I work till about 2 in the morning and then I start working again at about 5:30 in the morning. That's my life, right? But yesterday I finished at 10 at night, which is early for me, and I tried this f.lux thing. Now, I'm not going to say I had an incredible night's sleep, but I managed to get 5.5 hours, which to me is brilliant, you know. I'm never going to get 8 hours sleep, but if I can string together 3 nights where I get like 5 hours a night, that would be a revolution, you know. So, I'm just curious to know, do you have any problems sleeping at night, especially when you've been working on the computer? Would you be interested in trying this f.lux thing and let me know how you get on? Maybe you can just try it for a night, you know. And as always, if you have any comments or observations that would be helpful, then I would be glad to check them out. Yeah, so, you know, let's do some research and maybe as a team we can figure this out. I'll catch you later.